Hi guys, welcome back. It's been absolutely ages since I've been able to get down here and I'm so happy. It's a Friday. The delivery I had that I was waiting for this morning came early, so I pretty much got a whole day down here to grind down this panel. So run the VT, Errol. Right, so basically I came down here a few days ago with a good friend of mine, David, and we welded in this back panel. This is done now, just needs to be fettled down there and then a couple of holes plugged, welded up. But today I'm going to concentrate on grinding all of these simulated spot welds that I did the other week, because then this whole side is pretty much done apart from the jacking point there and the jacking point at the front. So I'll put you on a bit of time lapse and we'll go from there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just show you what I've done there. I've ground down all these welds here. These will then get just a little bit of filler stopper over the top of them, and then that allows me to make that smooth. There's a lot to grind off. I didn't realise how many I have to actually do, but there is quite a few. It will take me a bit of time. I knew this was going to take time to do anyway, but we're really making headway now with this side of the car. It's just you know, a lot of finishing off and then I'll be happy. But yeah, it's getting there, slowly but surely, slowly but surely. Okay, if you like what you see with me and what I do, please subscribe and like this channel and tell your friends, because the more people I get, the more people you know about me, the more worthwhile it is for me to do these videos. I've left it a couple of weeks now since the last video was done. In fact, I think it was the 24th of April was the last video I did, and we're well into May now, so the more people that know about me, the better, because then it makes it worthwhile from my point of view. All right, cheers. Okay, so next part of this job is to fit this, and this goes in here like that and is mounted there. That's the jacking point. So I'm going to get a couple of tacks, one on the back, one on the front, and I can fettle it a bit more, get it into shape and mount that on, and then I've got to do the same with the front one. So that's my next job. You can see I've used my super punch and punched through all the holes ready to weld it onto the car. Right, so I'm just going to put a couple of tack welds in this now. Right, so we're going to put a couple of tack welds in this now, just to see how we do. Here we go. Wish me luck, everyone. I do love a big tasty. He's proper. He's proper there. Big tasty. I love him. Right, I'll just turn the light off so we're back on thing. Right, so if you can have a look here, you can see that basically what I've done is I've just tacked with the simulated spot welds round there like that, which gives that now the jacking point that I need. So I'm just going to tidy those up with the grinder, and yeah, that's all good to go. Wicked. And now I can do the front one, which goes in this part here. So I'll tidy that up and then we'll do that one as well. So we're carrying on from this. I've fettled them in with the grinder. Just got to do the ones above now. That's the last little bit, and then this side is done. Start putting a bit more shape into. Obviously, this is a pattern panel. This one's a pattern panel, and the gap there is slightly different. So I've got to make that up. Just to make it look nice, really, just cosmetic. So yeah, we're getting there slowly but surely. Okay, so back one's on, ground, and the front one's on and ground. There's a couple of little holes I've got to fill in. There's a plate to go on here on the inside for the roll cage. So I can start in the middle, start putting a bit of seam sealer down here, and also just cover over what I've done to make it smooth. So that's my next job. So that cracked on a little bit more, a bit of filling, just to make it all smooth, and there we have it. Put a little bit of paint on as well, just to protect the bare metal. And now I'm going to move on to the back. I'm not going to do any more today though, because I have to go to work this afternoon. But yeah, I've really cracked on today. So I've got both this one and this one in place. And then I've addressed this section here. I'm going to put seam sealer down this edge, and
Yeah, I think that looks really good for an underside that you're never really going to see, but there we go. So today's jobs I'm really pleased with. They've gone really well, and hopefully I'll get back here soon to do a little bit more, but for now I've got to go back to work. But be patient, there'll be more videos coming, and please like and subscribe, and for now, stay safe. Bye.